Oh, it's gonna be
I had an event to do. I was prepping here,
I'm cooking up some scissors.
getting everything going. Yeah. I do, like, lecithin and, I might be pronouncing that wrong, but yeah, coconut oil and, of course my butter, and, I, I literally, it's not like, into like, you tell me the strength, well, shit, the strength is and I don't measure stuff, so it is what it is. But I've never had anybody tell me that my edibles doing kicking or nothing. So yeah, it's what it is. But um, so I had an event and I had like what 50 or so, 50 to like what 100 packets that I did. I only took 50 because I didn't know how it was gonna turn out. But this is me with the process. So this is like a day later. Like this is the day of. Actually, this is the day of. So 2 days. I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, yeah. So yeah. Get up with me. Literally. Like my edibles, they pop. Okay. Like they pop. Okay. And I ship too, so they pop. Alright, ship them. I'll put like an ice pack in there, to keep it like cold or whatever, because the edibles, you don't want your butter to melt, then you have to put it back in the freezer. You don't want to do all of that, but yeah. So if I'm gonna say I ship to you, I'm gonna do a 2-day shipping, because if you don't do overnight, then it's gonna cost more money to do overnight. But 2 days, yeah, be fine. But yeah, my edibles were up pretty much. And you see the process. Like I put my butter into my stuff.